In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D character model in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll walk through using the app to generate a cinematic character concept image you can use as a reference for 3D modeling. The process is simple. Attach a reference, write a strong prompt, and let the app create the visuals. I'll also share a few tips to help you get consistent results. Start by selecting the plus sign in the Gemini Windows app to upload an image. This attaches a visual reference for your character. Pick a clear, high-quality image that matches the vibe you're aiming for. Think clean silhouette, readable pose, and good lighting. If you're designing from scratch, a neutral pose or a rough concept sketch works well. Attaching something isn't strictly required, but it often helps the model understand proportions, materials, and the overall direction. Next, craft your prompt. Be specific about the subject, pose, vibe, lighting, color palette, and level of realism. For example, you might describe a hyper-realistic cinematic portrait of a character emerging from dust, with particles suspended in the air, eyes closed in a calm expression, and cracked, earth-like textures blending into the background. Mention dramatic studio-style lighting, moody atmosphere, shallow depth of field, and earthy tones like browns and golds. Calling out composition notes, like a halo of debris around the head and shoulders, helps the model focus on your focal point. Press Enter to send your prompt. Give the app a moment to process. If it returns an image, review the details: hands, face, textures, and lighting. If something's off, you can refine the wording and try again. Keep the most important attributes early in the prompt and avoid conflicting instructions. If nothing happens or it doesn't respond, click the plus sign again. Sometimes reattaching or reopening the input helps if the app hiccups or times out. From the plus menu, choose Create Image and paste or retype your prompt. This explicitly switches the app into image generation mode. You can tighten the wording here. Prioritize subject, pose, materials, lighting, and mood. If you uploaded a reference, note that you want the style and composition to align with it. Press Enter once more and let the app generate. When the image appears, evaluate it for realism, anatomy, and readability. If needed, iterate with small edits. Tweak lighting terms, color palette, or material descriptors. When you're happy, save your result. You now have a strong character concept image ready to guide your 3D modeling workflow, from sculpting forms to dialing in textures and final presentation.